name's Kevin, and today I want to talk about parallel processing. We are going to use a drum loop to get us started here. And I'll play it for you now. It's just an 8-bar loop. Okay, so there's the loop there. The first thing I want to do is show you how to do parallel compression, which essentially is I'm going to add a duplicate track of that drum loop and really compress it aggressively and mix it in with the dry signal. So let's, I already have it prepared here. Let's just listen to that track with compression on it. So I've put what it looks like here, a Fairchild compressor. And I'll just show you what that sounds like. So when I blend it in, I really want it to peek out of the mix a little bit, to give the drums more energy. So I'm going to add a high pass filter, not really get much of the kick drum compression, but more of like the snare and the hi-hat. So I'm going to listen now with the EQ. Okay, I like the way that sounds. Now I'm going to turn it all the way down, bring back the original drum loop, and I'll blend it in and we'll see what it sounds like. There you go. That's parallel compression. Now, let's talk about using something else other than compression as a parallel effect. One that I like to use is distortion. We'll do a plugin, and I've used Guitar Rig by Native Instruments, and I believe it's already pulled up here. Yep, I'm using this middle one. And we'll listen to what that sounds like by itself, and again do a comparison. So that's actually pretty gnarly and pretty extreme, and I do have an EQ on it also, just to make it a little more pleasant to listen to. So I'm going to mix it in. So let's just listen to what that sounds like. So that's really, I think it's really extreme, and I will dial it down a lot more just so you get a little bit of grit, and then I'll actually put the parallel compressor on as a whole sound. And let's just see what that sounds like. That's just a quick and dirty way to make your drums sound either different or more exciting. Anyways, this is not the only way to do it. This is just the way that I like to do it. So, hope this helped. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And yeah, till next time. Peace.